Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to present to you an unboxing video and product review of some t-shirts that I bought from the United States while I was on vacation there. And these t-shirts have been a part of my search for the best white or black t-shirt in the market. I've been collecting a lot of white and black t-shirts, whether they are regular or loop wheel shirts, but the challenge is for me to select and find out the most comfortable t-shirts that is nice to wear and appropriate for the weather here in the Philippines. As you know, the Philippines is a humid and hot country. Being a tropical island, the prevailing weather here is very hot, and the temperature ranges from above 68 degrees to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is too hot. And my body is very prone to much sweating and much perspiration. For the past 2 years, I've been looking for a nice t-shirt which is appropriate for the average tropical weather and temperature here in the Philippines. So as a part of my quest and search for the best and affordable, comfortable t-shirt which is being used here in the Philippines, I have collected a lot of brands from Levi's, from Uniqlo, from our local brand which is Crispa, from Brave Star, from Momotaro, and other loop wheel shirts from Warehouse, The Flathead, and Ironheart. And all these t-shirts, I have used them and came up with some product reviews, and I'm still sweating outside. Maybe it is my body physiology, that's the reason why I sweat a lot. Anyway, I have here 2 packs of t-shirts which I bought from COSTCO. These are available at COSTCO, and they are called 30 degrees cool. It's a 3 pack in medium for the black, the same with a 3 pack for the white t-shirt. This is not 100% cotton, but they are 98% polyester and 2% elastane. And it says that these are nice for tropical countries like the Philippines, and that's the reason why I bought them. And these are very cheap. This 1 pack is less than $10. I think I bought it for $9.90 plus tax. Of course, it's more than $10 for a little bit of cents. So we're going to open these packs of 32 degrees cold t-shirts, and the smallest available size is size medium. And it says here in the description below, description at the back of this package, it says that size medium has a chest of 38 to 40, and my ideal size for this chest, for my chest, is from 38 to 40, and that's the reason I bought these 2 shirts. Plus the fact that I need a shirt that is appropriate for the temperature, average temperature here in the Philippines. Let us now open the black pack first. However, it says that this is stretchable, it is a quick drying shirt, which means that if it is being drenched by your sweat, it can easily dry while you are wearing it. So we're going to open. It is very easy to open. Just snap it and the top, and there is a opening, and we'll get one of the three shirts for us to see and find out the texture. It's like the texture is like a resin shirt from Uniqlo. It is very thin, very smooth, and very nice and cool to the skin. And it's really nice as an outer shirt and at the same time as an undershirt. This is medium, and I can wear it over my shirt, and we will see how it fits. It's just okay. It's nice fit actually. So it is this shirt, if feel it by the hand, it is exactly the same with the resin shirt from Uniqlo. For a price of less than $10, this is a good buy, actually. Yeah. So we now proceed to the white shirt. The white shirt has a glossy texture, very thin, very comfortable, and yeah, it's very soft. Since this is a polyester, it really stick on your skin, and it is very cool. I think this is a very nice shirt to be used here in the tropical country like the Philippines. We'll now try to fit it with my cotton shirt from Uniqlo. I am using a cotton shirt from Uniqlo. It is a Supima cotton. It's thicker than this 32% cool shirt. And it's nice. Actually, I have a collection of a resin shirt from Uniqlo also, and the feeling and the texture is almost the same. The reason why I got this thing or the resin shirt is because I sweat a lot and I use it as an undershirt. I usually use those resin shirt, which is almost the same with this shirt from 32% cool, because the tendency of this shirt is when used as an undershirt, the tendency is for the shirt to absorb your perspiration, and while you are still wearing this, there is a tendency that the fabric will dry up with your body, most especially when you are inside the car with an air condition, or when you are inside the mall, or inside an office, or inside a particular shopping mall, which is cooler than the temperature outside the building. So this is a very nice collection. I did not expect that the texture will be like an resin, because an resin is very expensive here in the Philippines. One piece of resin from Uniqlo is equivalent to $10. And if you have 3 of these for an amount of $10, this is a very cheap acquisition or cheap collection. In the next coming days, I'll be using this as my undershirt or outer shirt, most especially where the temperature is above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, while driving, while walking, or while you are outdoors. So with that, that is my unboxing and product review of these 32% cool shirts which I bought from the COSTCO store in the United States. If you have any comments or additional information on this product, please say so in the comment section. Ever you haven't clicked that notification bell, please click it so that you will be notified of my incoming video contents here in my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that I can be able to continue posting product reviews and unboxing videos in this YouTube channel, which is related to fashion, related to heritage wear, boots, denims, or otherwise. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.